Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook dried fish with coconut and vegetables, with coconut milk and vegetables. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, coconut milk, the dried fish, malunggay, kalabasa, garlic, onions, ginger, tomatoes, spring onions. The dried fish first. Okay. And the fried fish, I fried it already, okay? Add the coconut milk, the onion, garlic, tomatoes, and the ginger. Also and then we're gonna add water. Okay. And then just a little salt because you know the dried fish is a little salty. And now, ato sa takluban guys, hangtod nga maluto ang kalabasa. Okay, the kalabasa is already cooked, so we're gonna add this one. And then, okay, I think we need just a little salt. Look at that one guys, it's super yummy. Okay, so the dried fish is already cooked. How we cook it first. Okay guys, so it's done. Now our dried fish with coconut milk and vegetables. It's super yummy. So it's tasting time. It's good. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.